everyone! Today I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's reshaping the future of military defense: 3D printed drones. And guess what? It's all about the innovative partnership between the US and Taiwan. So what's the big deal with these 3D printed drones? Well, Taiwan is taking a page out of Ukraine's book, using 3D printing technology to create a powerful drone army. This tech isn't just about making drones cheaper, it's about making them more efficient and adaptable. Imagine a drone fleet that can be customized on the fly to meet any mission requirements. That's a game changer in defense. Here's where it gets even cooler. A US company named Rapid Flight has teamed up with Taiwan's Thunder Tiger Group. Together, they're exploring how 3D printing can revolutionize drone manufacturing. This partnership aims to not only enhance Taiwan's defense capabilities, but also unlock new commercial uses for these drones. Now, let's talk strategy. Taiwan's defense plan against potential threats from China is all about asymmetrical warfare. Instead of going head-to-head, they're focusing on exploiting weaknesses. This means acquiring advanced weaponry like anti-radiation UAVs and precision munitions. And here's where drones play a crucial role. Taiwan is investing heavily in various UAVs for intelligence gathering and surveillance. These drones enhance battlefield awareness and early warning systems, giving Taiwan an edge. To counter potential drone threats, they're also procuring anti-drone systems. This multi-layered approach, supported by the US, aims to create a robust defense against any drone attacks. But Taiwan isn't stopping there. They're actively developing their own military drones, led by the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology, or NCSIC. The goal is to produce over 700 military-grade UAVs by 2028. This initiative includes significant collaboration with the private sector, boosting Taiwan's domestic drone industry. And it's not just about military drones. Taiwan is also investing in over 7,000 commercial-grade UAVs. This two-pronged approach showcases Taiwan's commitment to becoming a regional powerhouse in drone technology. It's all about ensuring self-reliance and defense while pushing technological boundaries. So there you have it. The US and Taiwan are working together to create a next-gen drone army using 3D printing. This partnership is not only enhancing defense capabilities, but also paving the way for future technological advancements. It's a thrilling time for drone enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you next time.